लाइव 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 बैठा हूँ भाई मैं, तो गुस्सा नहीं करना कुछ। लाइव बैठा हूँ अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। Thanks to Lala. How you know I am coming on live? I already gave the message on Facebook and give him the topics to all students. Kindly inform to others. Two students coming on live. Huh? You know there is coming on too. Kindly inform to other students. Come on live. Kindly inform to all students in group message. Huh? Now we have only two. Kindly send the message to Wakas to inform the auto mechanics groups. Announce in the group. Are you listening to me? If you have any question about the automobile industry and automotive, I am available to give the answer. Maybe something you learn to me and I also learn to you. Sometimes you give me the questions. Maybe I don't have a knowledge regarding this question. So inshallah I will be informed. Okay, I will wait. You take a time, not only 2 minutes, take a time 10 minutes to inform to all. Come on live chat. हम्म, पागल हो गए।
इतना पूरे घर में ही घुमा रहा है। हटाओ अपना मोबाइल।
6 come online. Yes, now maybe some students are coming, showing on listed. Nobody understand of your language, Gunga Pelwan. Already they are listening. I am waiting about your questions. I already give the topics: workshop safety, engines, types of engines, and introduction of electronic fuel injection system. Kindly, which people are present in the live streaming, kindly write the names. I want to know which students are present in live streaming. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Maybe Said Khan is uh, join us. You have an opportunity to write any questions. Thank you, thank you. Yes, of course. Every day, every night, every holiday night, I will be available on the live chat. But I want to need the questions regarding the automobile industry. क्या हो? My daughter is angry on me. Why are you showing to me on the screen? Because live streaming is already recorded. He is worried about his. He is not on her, but normally he talk to in a male voice, using a male wording, especially in Urdu. This is my sitting rooms, and normally I am studied here. Everything is preparing in this room. We are using for studies. Hi everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Now we have 11 students maybe available on the live chat. So all the students, once again, a warm welcome to you, to all. Warm welcome to all on the 14th August. How many students visit to the MITI Women Institute to celebrate the 40th Independence Day with the chairman, CEO, and project director Monas Saf? Kindly write the names. So Tala, thank you very much once again. You informed to all students, but I am waiting for your questions. भाई अपनी कॉपियाँ संभाल के रख. अभी मैंने 2 दफ़ा छीनी है ये जो. Tomorrow is off already. Women Institute announced the holiday of Friday. You will become on Saturday. Saturday is the open. Our institute is open, but Friday is off. So inshallah we again make a live stream. Come on again. I will give the message on the Facebook with topics and timing. Harry Gurry join. Said, tell me hi. I am fine. And you? I don't understand about the boost car. What do you mean by the boost car? If you write properly, so I will give you the answer. Just now we have a 9 on the live chat. I need the names which students are available. Boost car, what? I don't understand. Kindly write properly, so I give you the answer. You are very active. Said SAID. Said Khan. Maybe Said Khan is available. Yes. Warm welcome to Azam, and Tala is still coming. Tala, now you write a proper your name in capital letters. Now I understand. Before in a small letter, maybe you write in an emergency very fastly. So tell me about the boost car. I don't understand. Okay, I will check. This message is held for review. Okay, when I view the messages, I give the answer there. Badge number 47. Uh, badge number 47 is very good in 3. In 9 to 12 is very good. All people want to learn in English this course. And then the second 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. auto mechanic course students already interested in the course in English. And then EFI is also in English, but some students are don't understand. So I give you the notes in Urdu. So I have one question asking about you. The what is the workshop safety? Anybody can have answer. Give me the answer in written. सारीना ये व्यू मैसेज को हम देख सकते हैं लाइव पे या बाद में देखा जाएगा? व्यू मैसेज जो आ रहा है इसमें लिखा हुआ है ये लिखा हुआ है द मैसेज इज हेल्ड फॉर रिव्यू, फिर लिखा है व्यू मैसेज। सर number 2, serial number 2, sir, 47 page, practical journal is complete. Kindly write your name on Saturday. On Saturday, I will come maybe half day or late because I am going to hospital. I understand. I understand. Don't explain me yourself. I understand. Who are you? Ghost car. Don't worry about it. I know very well. Who are you? Who are you? Ooh. बोलो पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद बोलो। बोलो पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, जोर से बोलो। बोलो पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद। Now we have 5. बोलो ऑटो मैकेनिक। बोलो ऑटो मैकेनिक। बोलो ऑटो मैकेनिक। बोलो वेलकम। वेलकम। हाँ शाबाश। बूस्ट का सर 47 में प्रैक्टिकल जन बूस्ट कार अगेंस्ट I know boost car number 2. I know I understand. Today which students are went to institute MITI. I need some information. How about the show? You enjoyed yourselves? Vehicle system होते क्या? In every car there are a vehicle system, and vehicle system consists of the 12 basic subsystems: starting system, engine system, transmission system, powertrain system, differential system, suspension system, steering system, fuel system, lubrication system, cooling system, braking system. The last one is preventive. The system we use for preventive maintenance of the vehicle is called servicing system. Safety gear क्या होते हैं? What is the safety gear? How can we define the safety gears? The right answer is that the safety gear basically the permission to enter the workshop. So when you enter the workshop, you must have a follow the safety gears. Safety gear. What's the safety gear? Safety gear is that helmet, goggles, mask, apron, gloves. Gloves we are using in a workshop three types: leather gloves, rubber gloves, and cotton gloves. Normally, mechanics are use the uh, cotton gloves, and then auto electrician and EFI technician normally use rubber and leather gloves. Goggles, gloves, apron, mask, shoes. How can we define the engine? How can we define the engine? Thank you very much, Wase. Walaikum assalam. I receive your assalamu alaikum. You are too late, huh? Maybe you are sleeping. Who will inform you? My pro. Yes. Oh, what is the definition of engine? Engine is a device that it changes the chemical energy to heat energy and heat energy to mechanical energy, and we have found after that we found the mechanical energy in the vehicle wheels, and then the vehicle is moved. Actually, after that, after live streaming, I will start my studies studies from 12 to 4 p.m., and then after I sleep. Where is Chef come? Maybe he is busy now. I need a question from your side. Battery basics. So first we know what about how can we define the good battery? Good battery or charged battery, both are the same. You say the charged battery or a good battery is the same. Of all, when we check the battery, first we check the terminals, both terminal negative and positive. The battery have a two terminals, one positive and second one. First is positive and second is negative. Both terminals are neat, clean and tight, and wiring is in a good condition. Number two, the liquid the liquid of a battery is in between upper control limit and lower control limit. The gravity, when you check the gravity with the hydrometer, they must come on a green color, must reach on the green color. It's mean battery is 100% is okay. And then we check the leakage and crack and shape of the battery must be in okay condition. uh, I know the name somebody, they are throwing a hurt. So must be battery check, no leakage, no cracks, and the shape is okay. The battery caps where we fill the liquid must be open. They have a narrow holes, small hole, thin hole, must be open. The scanners available in our institute is launch. Make is launch, company name is launch, and model is X431. Is a good scanner and normally used in the market. X431 scanner is very famous in Pakistan. Normally, the big workshops are using this scanner. What is the function of ignition coil? What is the function of ignition coil? Initially, we have found the volts from the ignition coil is 6,000, and then finally we received from the ignition coil the volts maybe more than 10,000 to 40,000, and some new cars, modern cars, we receive the voltage from ignition coil is near about 60,000. So ignition coil have a have have a to increase the voltage to start the engine normally. Indicator wiring color. Okay, I will tell you boost car. Boost car is asking a question indicating indicator wiring color. Now you left, huh? Before you left, maybe. Okay, I will give you the answer. Hmm, एक मिनट भाई सवाल का जवाब देना. Okay, I will give you the answer. एक मिनट दे. सारी ना मेरे को चाय तो दे दो. Now which question? Boost car. Uh, Number 2. He asking the question indicator wiring color. So kindly note down on the notebook. Maybe you forget after that. But I tell you the left indicator is yellow or light green. जो लेफ्ट साइड का इंडिकेटर होता है उसकी जो वायर के कलर्स होते हैं ना वो येलो होते हैं. येलो होगा या लाइट ग्रीन होगा. ठीक है. और राइट साइड का जो इंडिकेटर है उसका जो कलर होगा ग्रीन होगा या लाइट ब्लू होगा. ठीक है. तो इंडिकेटर वायरिंग लाइट जो है आपको पता लगे कि लेफ़्ट साइड का जो है वो येलो होगा या लाइट ग्रीन होगा. दोनों में से एक होगा. ये डिपेंड करता है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की उसके ऊपर कलरिंग के ऊपर कि वो किसको चॉइस करता है. और राइट का इंडिकेटर मैंने आपको बताया कि ग्रीन या लाइट ब्लू होगा. ठीक है. तो काइंडली नोट डाउन. इज़ अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन so you will ask. If you are satisfied, so give me the reply. Which one asks the question? The boost car. If you satisfy the answer, you reply me kindly. He replied to me, okay, sir, thanks. It means the answer is right. Huh? If you have other question, you will ask freely. Any query about the automobile industry, it doesn't matter. Boost car, thank you very much to ask the question. Maybe many people learn regarding your question. मैं एक मिनट काम कर रहा हूँ. Yes, yes, please. Normally, some parents are coming for admission to in Women Institute. So the receptionist, which deals the pupils regarding the admission, so he sent me the parents to me in my class. So they normally ask the questions. What is the scope of automotive industry, automobile industry? So simple answer is that I will many times tell him in my lectures and in class. So I will define normally. The automotive industry is the one of the largest and fastest growing sector in the world, uh, covering everything from vehicles, designs, and manufacturing to sales, repair, and advanced technologies. Its scope includes production, distribution, and after sales service, and the earning invention, innovations. So normally we introduce automobile industry like that. Because automobile industry normally we have seen in the market. So it depend on the following categories. So vehicle design and manufacturing to sales, repair and advanced technology. Its scope includes the production, distribution, after sales service and emerging the innovations. So main area of the automobile industry. What is the main area? How can we define it? How can we find it? Which area we will find? So number one, uh, we are discussing about the vehicle manufacturing. vehicle manufacturing: car, trucks, buses, motorcycles, electric vehicles, and the hybrid vehicles. The main area I will explain you, and for your knowledge and for your kind information, you must be known. If you join and studies in automotive industries, so you must be know these scopes. So vehicle manufacturing. So one of the big area is giving a lot of employment to pupils, every country and every cities. So these are categories: car, truck, buses, motorcycles, electric vehicles, and the hybrid vehicles. Second area we can found related to the automotive industries, the main area. First main area is the vehicle manufacturing, and then we into divide into the in six categories. The second one is the auto parts and components, यानी कि engine, transmissions, brakes, electronics and accessories. The second biggest area of the automotive industry is the auto parts and components, the engine, transmissions, brakes, electronics and the accessories. Third one, the biggest area in the automotive industry is the repair and maintenance. Repair and maintenance. So we have found a many employment, create a many employment regarding this category in this area. Illiterate, some people are don't have a technical education, but they join early in a childhood, and then after 5 years, 10 years, they got a good experience. So third one is the repair and maintenance. So how can we define the repairing and maintenance of the vehicles? So we mix the workshops, service stations, diagnostic, and the spare parts supply. This is the third one. And fourth, research and development, R&D department. In automotive industry, now in we are already we have a knowledge. First, electronic fuel injection introduced in the automotive industry. Then hybrid vehicles introduced in to the automobile industry. After that, EVs, electric motor vehicles introduced in the automotive industry. These all inventions and innovations belong to the research and development department. In short form, we tell them introduce R&D department. So new designs, safety features, and the efficiency of uh, autonomous driving. So R&D department normally is working better and better. You must be knows. So new design every 5 years, and normally every 8 years, vehicles are improved. Model is increased. They give a good facilities. So when we are changing in the shapes, engine performance, fuel supply system, braking system, like that. So R&D department is the development of the automotive industries. And sales, and next number 5 is the sales and marketing. Sale and marketing. So how we define sale and marketing? We can define like that: the showrooms. We arrange a showrooms, dealerships, export, import, and online vehicle sales. So this area is very big and give too much employment to the pupils, every country, every cities. Number 6, specialized sectors. How can we define the specialized sectors? So motor parts, heavy machinery, defense vehicles, and agriculture machinery. Okay. This one is the six major areas where the automotive, yeah, automobile industry is involved and create a good opportunities for the pupils. Uh, we are getting a good jobs regarding these six areas. So automotive industry and automobile industry is the biggest area, giving a good opportunities for the people's employment. Second, a career and business opportunities. How can we define the career and how can we define the career and the business opportunities? The student must be knows these areas. If somebody asks to you, okay, what is the benefit? Why you join the automotive industry, या auto mechanics course, या EFI course, which belong to the automotive industry? So you have a good answers regarding these six areas. So second one, we distribute the category A is category A. Is, I will explain the six major areas where the automotive industry is involved. Second one, the career and the business opportunities. How can we define the career and the biggest opportunities? So, engineering and design. Number one, engineering and design. So, mechanical, electrical, electronics, software engineers. Number one is engineering and design. How can we define the engineering and design? So we can explain like that: the mechanical, electrical, and electronics software engineers. They are giving a good opportunities for jobs for mechanical, electrical, and electronics engineers. Second one, manufacturing and assembly. Acha, manufacturing and assembly totally is different. Manufacturing is the uh, how can we manufacture the automotive part? They are separate. They are a separate units for automotive industry and the assembly. Some factories are manufacture the parts, manufacturing the parts, and the other one, the company is using these parts in assembly units. They have a biggest assembly units. Like that, we have a Nissan have a 27 country. They have a assembly plant, or they have already manufacturing units in more than 5 to 10 countries. So normally we know that. Achha, manufacturing and assembly, the factory production, quality control, supply chain management. Manufacturing and assembly units, which company are manufacturing and assembly the automotive products. So involve factory is involved in production, quality control, and supply chain management. Third one is the after sales service. How can we define the after sales service? What is the after sales service? यानी कि car repair, customizations, and dealing with the spare parts and business. So after sales service is responsible for the car repair, dealing with the customer, and detailing the spare parts and distribution of the spare parts. So they have also have a big opportunity for employment. Third one is the transport and logistic. Fourth one, transport and logistic. Transport and logistic depend on the following areas: the fleet management, vehicle leasing, and ride sharing services. The emergency rules, the electric vehicles, emerging rules. Emerging rules are how can we explain that the electric vehicles, specialist, autonomous vehicles, tester, and telemetric experts. Achha, global and local impact. Global and local impact. Thanks for thanks for joining. All people are attached with me and try to listening. If you have any query and any question, uh, you will ask with me. I give you the inshallah. Lofi edits. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam. Thank you for joining. Uh, you are coming late, but warm welcome to you. Global and local impact. So, how can we define the global and local impact of the automobile industry in the world, in the countries? So, economic contribution. So, major source of GDP, exports, and employment. So, impact of the local and global side of automotive या automobile industry, the major source of GDP. Yani every country in a automobile industry support in a big role in a GDP and exports and employment. Yani give a good GDP. Yani it's been giving a good business and in the other words give a good employment of the for the pupils. Technological advancement. How can we define? In the global and local impact is the second option is the technical advancement. What is the technical advancement and how can we define? Electric and the autonomous vehicles. Number four, future trends. So how can we define the future trends? Future trends, electric mobility, EV production, battery replacing the charging infrastructures, smart and connected cars, GDP tracking vehicles to vehicles communications. This is the scope of automobile industry in the world in countries. So I already first I already explained the scope of automobile industry in the countries, and then I explained the main areas where the automobile industry is involved and carry out to support the country economy. So main areas already I defined the vehicle manufacturing, auto parts and components, repair and maintenance, and repair and maintenance. सारी ना अच्छा रहते इधर हेलो सारी ना पानी देना पानी और चाय तो दे दो बूस्ट का Luffy edits. I need your introduction. Kindly introduce yourself to me. I want to know. Thank you very much to join me. Star, you have any more question? You are trying. Uh, you are trying to ask more and more questions. I already explained these type of question in class already before 2 days. चाइना चाहे तो पिलाओ बेटा. Now we discuss the types of engine. If you want to somebody go to sleep, no problem. I am available for those people which are listening to me and asking some questions. Sarina, give me the charger, please. I need charger because charging is going down and down. चाय ला दो यार मुझे. Now we utilize our time and trying to give you some knowledge about engines and its types. So types of engine, how can we define, how can we explain to others? It is very easy and not difficult. Normally we everybody have a vehicles at home, so must be know a little knowledge, a basic knowledge must be you have. So types of engine, engine can be classified in different ways depending on the fuel type. यानी कि इंजन को हम जो है इंजन की जो हम दर्जाबंदी कर सकते हैं ना वो डिफरेंट तरीक़ों से कर सकते हैं डिपेंडिंग ऑन द फ्यूल टाइप के हिसाब से भी कर सकते हैं यानी कि फ्यूल टाइप डिज़ाइन टाइप एप्लीकेशंस और ऑपरेशंस प्रिंसिपल यानी कि हम इंजन को इन तरीक़ों से जो है ना एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं नंबर एक फ्यूल टाइप यानी कि डीजल है या पेट्रोल है या गैस है डिज़ाइन डिज़ाइन कौन सा है उसका एप्लीकेशन उसकी क्या है और ऑपरेशन प्रिंसिपल क्या है तो ये है कि हम इसको इजीली डिफाइन कर सकते हैं तो engines can be classified in the different ways depending on the fuel type, design, applications and the operation of principles. So based on the fuel हाउ कैन वी डिफाइन द इंजन बेस्ड ऑन द फ्यूल टाइप? अगर हम इंजन को कैसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं बेस के हिसाब से, फ्यूल के हिसाब से, तो उसको हम इस तरह से डिफाइन कर सकते हैं कि पेट्रोल और गैसोलीन इंजन, पेट्रोल इंजन को हम गैसोलीन इंजन भी कहते हैं, uses the petrol as a fuel commonly found in the cars and motorcycles। जो पेट्रोल इंजन है नॉर्मली हम इनको जो है ना देख पाते हैं कारों के अंदर या मोटरसाइकिल के अंदर। डीजल इंजन यूजेस द डीजल फ्यूल, यानी कि डीजल इंजन को हम फ्यूल के वाइज ले सकते हैं कॉमनली इन ट्रक, बसेस एंड सम कार्स। क्योंकि हम इसको जो है डीजल इंजन को जो हमें नज़र आएगा नॉर्मली कहाँ पे आएगा, ट्रक में आएगा, बसेस में आएगा या कुछ कारों में आएगा, ठीक है। और गैस इंजन रन्स ऑन द नेचुरल गैस, यानी कि सीएनजी और एलपीजी। यानी कि गैस इंजन में हमें जो चलते हुए मिलेंगे वो नॉर्मली सीएनजी में होंगे या एलपीजी में होंगे। ये डिपेंड करता है कि उस कंट्री में चीप कौन सा है, सीएनजी है या एलपीजी, ठीक है ना। हाइब्रिड इंजन्स तो कंबाइंस इंटरनल कंबस्शन इंजन। ये हाइब्रिड इंजन क्या होता है कि कंबाइंस होता है इंटरनल कंबस्शन इंजन का, यानी कि बेसिकली इसमें होता तो इंटरनल कंबस्शन इंजन है विद एन इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर। और ये होता है क्या, कंबस्शन इंजन तो होता है, इंटरनल कंबस्शन इंजन तो होता ही है, लेकिन इस में जो है ना डिपेंड करता है कि इलेक्ट्रिक, इसके साथ जो है इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर भी होती है। तो इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर। अब आ जाते हैं हम हाइब्रिड के बाद। पहला था पेट्रोल इंजन, दूसरा डीजल इंजन, तीसरा गैस इंजन, नंबर 4 पे था, नंबर 4 इज़ द हाइब्रिड इंजन, और नंबर 5 इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर्स व्हीकल्स या इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स। तो इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स क्या है, टेक्निकली नॉट एन इंजन बट, यानी कि ये टेक्निकली इसमें इंजन तो नहीं होता बट रिप्लेसेस द कंबस्शन इंजन इंटरनली इन इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स। लेकिन इसको हम मोटर इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर के मदद से जो है ना हम इसको चलाते हैं। अच्छा, इसके बाद हम इसको बेस करते हैं। पहला था बेस एज ए फ्यूल, तो अब है बेस ऑन इग्निशन मेथड। हम इसकी जो सेकंड टाइप क्लासिफिकेशन जो लेते हैं बेस ऑन इग्निशन मेथड, यानी कि स्पार्क इग्निशन इंजन यूजिंग ए स्पार्क प्लग टू द इग्निट एयर फ्यूल मिक्सचर। यानी कि पहला जो हम बेस लेते हैं स्पार्क इग्निशन, यानी कि जिसको हम एसआई भी कहते हैं, और दूसरा होता है कंप्रेशन इग्निशन इंजन, यानी कि फ्यूल इग्निट्स ड्यू टू द हाई टेम्परेचर फ्रॉम द कंप्रेशन। यानी कि दूसरा जो सीआई इंजन होता है उसको हम कंप्रेशन के तौर पे लेते हैं, और हम उसमें क्या करते हैं कि टेम्परेचर को इतना हाई कर देते हैं जिससे वो कंबस्चन का प्रोसेस मुकम्मल हो पाता है। अच्छा, बेस ऑन द नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रोक। अब तीसरी जो कैटेगरी है, पहली थी फ्यूल की, दूसरी थी इग्निशन टाइप कौन सी है, और तीसरा हम इसको लेते हैं थर्ड वन इज़ द बेस ऑन द नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रोक्स। बेस ऑन द नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रोक्स। तो नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रोक्स के लिए जो है हम इसको नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रोक के हिसाब से भी डिफ़ाइन कर सकते हैं, ठीक है ना। तो नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रोक की मदद से जो हम डिफ़ाइन करते हैं वो इस तरह से कर सकते हैं कि टू स्ट्रोक इंजन, यानी कि पावर स्ट्रोक एनर्जी। टू स्ट्रोक इंजन यानी कि इसमें टू स्ट्रोक का प्रोसेस कैसे होता है। टू स्ट्रोक का प्रोसेस ऐसे होता है कि सक्शन और कंप्रेशन का जो प्रोसेस है वो वन ऑपरेशन में कंप्लीट होता है, वन स्ट्रोक में, और सेकंड स्ट्रोक में इसका पावर और एग्जॉस्ट स्ट्रोक कंप्लीट होता है। इसी तरह फिर होता है फोर स्ट्रोक इंजन। अच्छा, जो टू स्ट्रोक इंजन होता है उसमें क्रैंकशाफ्ट जो है एक कंप्लीट चक्कर लेती है, ठीक। और फोर स्ट्रोक इंजन में क्या होता है, फोर स्ट्रोक इंजन में नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि चारों ऑपरेशन जो है अलग-अलग होते हैं, और क्रैंकशाफ्ट जो मेजर डिफरेंस है वो क्रैंकशाफ्ट का होता है, और वो जो है ना दो क्रैंकशाफ्ट जो है दो मुकम्मल चक्कर लेती है। अच्छा, इसमें क्या होता है कि चारों ऑपरेशन जो है ना अलग-अलग होते हैं। चारों ऑपरेशन जो हैं अलग-अलग होते हैं। पहला फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन में क्या होता है, सक्शन होता है, जहाँ पे एयर और फ्यूल मिक्सचर्स को सक किया जाता है, खींचा जाता है, और पिस्टन जो है बीडीसी की तरफ मूव करता है जब सक्शन स्ट्रोक कर रहा होता है। फिर सेकंड स्ट्रोक जो है कंप्रेशन स्ट्रोक कहलाता है। कंप्रेशन स्ट्रोक में क्या होता है कि जो पिस्टन की मूवमेंट है वो सक्शन करने के बाद बीडीसी टीडीसी की तरफ मूव करती है, ठीक है। फिर उसके बाद होता है पावर स्ट्रोक। पावर स्ट्रोक में क्या होता है कि कंबस्शन चैम्बर जब पिस्टन अपना टीडीसी पे पहुंच जाता है तो वहाँ से इग्निट स्पार्क प्लग की मदद से इग्निट किया जाता है उसको, और वो पावर स्ट्रोक वाक़या होता है, ठीक। नंबर 4, एग्जॉस्ट स्ट्रोक। एग्जॉस्ट स्ट्रोक में क्या होता है, जब पावर स्ट्रोक में जब पावर स्ट्रोक होता है, कंबस्शन का प्रोसेस होता है, वो उसमें जो है इंजन जो है पावर पैदा करता है, और जो पावर पैदा होती पैदा करता है, क्रिएट करता है, जनरेट करता है, वो जो है हमें व्हीलों में व्हील के घूमने में रिसीव होती है, ठीक है। और उसके बाद क्या होता है कि जो गैसेस होती हैं, एमिशन होता है, वो जो है एग्जॉस्ट हो जाता है। तो ये है हमारा एग्जॉस्ट को। अब हम कंबस्शन का प्रोसेस समझ लेते हैं कि कंबस्शन प्रोसेस होता है क्या बेसिकली। अगर उर्दू में इसको हम समझा जाए अपनी मदर टंग में, मदर लैंग्वेज में, नेशनल लैंग्वेज में, तो जलने का अमल कहलाता है। यानी कि कंबस्शन के अंदर इन जो बर्निंग प्रोसेस होता है उसको हम कंबस्शन कहते हैं, ठीक है। उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, कंबस्शन, कंबस्शन प्रोसेस कहते हैं बेसिकली। अच्छा, इसके बाद क्या है कि हमारे पास नॉर्मली क्या है, इंजन टाइप्स हैं। अब इंजन टाइप्स में आ जाते हैं इंटरनल कंबस्शन इंजन और एक्सटर्नल कंबस्शन इंजन। एक्सटर्नल कंबस्शन इंजन में क्या है, इंटरनल कंबस्शन इंजन क्या है कि इंटरनल कंबस्शन इंजन में फिर हम इसको 2 कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड करते हैं। एक होता है रोटरी इंजन और दूसरा है रेसिप्रोकेटिंग इंजन। जबकि एक्सटर्नल कंबस्शन इंजन में जो है हमारे पास स्टीम इंजन आता है, जिसका इस्तेमाल अभी ना होने के बराबर है। हम स्टीम इंजन को भी डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि नॉर्मली ये हमारे यूज़ में नहीं है, और ये शुरू से ही इसको बहुत कम इस्तेमाल में लिया गया है। अब इस स्टीम इंजन की मिसाल ऐसे है जैसे हमारे पास जो पुरानी ट्रेन्स थी और जो कोल की मदद से जो है चलाई जाती थी, तो वो इसकी एग्जाम्पल है। अच्छा, जो इंटरनल कंबस्शन इंजन है इसकी भी 2 टाइप्स होती हैं। इसको भी हम 2 हिस्सों में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं नॉर्मली। नंबर 1 रोटरी इंजन, जिसका इस्तेमाल जेट इंजन में होता है, और इसके जो पिस्टन्स हैं वो एक सर्किल के अंदर से होते हैं। दूसरा है रेसिप्रोकेटिंग इंजन। अब हमारे पास रोटरी इंजन का इस्तेमाल तो हम एयरक्राफ्ट वगैरह में नॉर्मली हम करते हैं, तो रेसिप्रोकेटिंग इंजन का इस्तेमाल हमारे पास होता है। तो इसकी भी आगे 2 टाइप्स होती हैं। इनके 2 टाइप्स में फर्स्ट टाइप है स्पार्क इग्निशन इंजन, जिसको हम एसआई इंजन कहते हैं, और दूसरा जो है कंप्रेशन इग्निशन इंजन है, जिसको हम सीआई इंजन कहते हैं। Now 14 pupils belong to us. I want to kindly write your names. I want to know uh, who those people are with me. Maybe Boost Car is sleeping now. Huh? He never asked me something, any question. Thanks for joining once again. Sometime going to 20 and sometimes left from it. Yeah. So now we are discussing the definitions of the engines. So how we know? First we define stroke. What is stroke? Normally we are asking about 2-stroke engine, 4-stroke engine. So we need first Okay, what is stroke? So stroke is the piston travel from TDC to BTC and BTC to TDC is called stroke. TDC what? Top dead center. BTC what? So how we know BTC? Bottom dead center. तो पिस्टन यानी कि सिलेंडर के अंदर जो इसकी लास्ट मूवमेंट होती है, जहाँ पे एंड हो जाती है, जहाँ से दोबारा ये बीडीसी की टीडीसी की तरफ मूव करता है, उसको हम कहते हैं बीडीसी बॉटम डेड सेंटर। ठीक है। स्ट्रोक के बाद आ जाता है स्वेफ्ट वॉल्यूम। The distance between TDC and BDC is called swept volume. Other one is the clearance volume. Clearance volume, the cylinder head and cylinder block. Distance between the cylinder head and cylinder block is called clearance volume. Normally, we measure in the combustion chamber where the combustion process could be done complete. You are maybe you are listening very carefully. I tell you, maybe you are asleep. Uh, so you give the answer. You are awaking, huh? Still awaking. Thank you. Thanks a lot. These type of information we normally discuss in the class many times. We want to this live streaming when it recorded on my channel. You will see in my channel. So no need to read the books. Only listening. You learn listening very fast. Somebody need a tea, so I will arrange with Food Panda. Today I am visiting to the seaside with my granddaughters. I uploaded the videos on my channel. You must be seen. I am traveling on my own bike, Suzuki GD110. I enjoy myself there because weather is very good. Weather is very good, or in other words, you tell him cloudy, not shining, not shine. So you are laughing on offering the tea. Listen carefully, huh? Thanks. If you have any more question regarding other what we say courses, I have a ability to teach. Doesn't matter. Tea is very hot, just like you. You need a tea, I will send you. Just I make a call to Food Panda, he will supply in 20 minutes. Normally, this is the time everybody go to CVU side. It's totally too much crowded and rush area. नहीं?
आधा घंटा तक
ले लो ना ये मोबाइल पा रहे हैं. Now I am fresh. Maybe in 4 hour more. Uh, Sit with you if you have a stamina. ये किसको लेके आ रही हो? क्या हो गया? कितने गिराया? किसने गिराया तुमको? किसने गिराया? किसने गिराया? जेजो किसने गिराया आपको? You check the wiring. Maybe wiring will be short, or the connection may be loose. Where is the joint? The wires. Check the connection joining. Boost का सब राइट साइड इंडिकेटर्स सब चल रहे हैं. राइट साइड के तो एक फ्रंट का होगा, एक रियर का होगा, दो ही होंगे. ठीक है, सब चल रहे हैं. पर लेफ़्ट साइड नहीं चल रहे तो क्या प्रॉब्लम होगी? तो वायर चेक करो. लेफ़्ट वाली वायर मैंने बताई थी ना, उसको आप सिर्फ चेक करना. तो इंशाल्लाह वो सही हो जाएगा. नहीं सही होगा तो ब्रिंग योर मोटरसाइकिल और कार टू इंस्टीट्यूट. आई विल check and repair there. Don't worry about it. It's a small case, not a big defect. It's a very small. You are waking up. भाई इंडिकेटर्स के अलावा और भी चीज़ होती है ना. हेडलाइट्स हैं, वेपर्स हैं, इंटीरियर रूम लाइट्स हैं, उसके अलावा डैशबोर्ड्स लाइट्स हैं. ओके. How you know, boost car? How you know I am coming on a live streaming? How you know? You read the message on the Facebook. Okay, okay, doesn't matter. Okay, I will give you. Boost car, okay, no problem. If somebody has to visit to Memo Institute, so you are enjoy or not? If you visit anybody, I see. I saw the pictures on the Facebook. This all activity. We have only there is video not available the video on the Facebook, but only pictures. Yes, we have a arrange a test. First, I solve this MCQs in the class. After that, we announce the date of the test. So we take a test only 25 MCQs. So every month we take arrange a test every month, 25 MCQs. So first I solve this MCQs and then announce the date of the test. ये 100 MCQs हैं, ठीक है, 4 टेस्ट होंगे 100 MCQs के, लेकिन इनको मिक्स करके दिया जाएगा। पहले इनको मैं सॉल्व करके दूंगा, आप लोगों के साथ सॉल्व करवाऊंगा, आपको सॉल्व करके दूंगा, उसके बाद आपने इसकी तैयारी करनी है। फिर ये 100 के 100 में से कोई से भी 25 आया करेंगे, ठीक है, रिपीट नहीं होंगे, कोई से भी 25 आएंगे। तो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, फर्स्ट आई सॉल्व एंड देन आई अनाउंस द डेट, ठीक है, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। If you want to go to sleep, so we stop the live streaming. If you want to go to sleep, normally people sleep at maybe 1:30, 1:30 a.m., 2 a.m. like that. So all the day I am sleep and take a rest. If you want to left live streaming, so no problem. I will stop. Give me the suggestion. I am waiting. So today we stop the live streaming. Inshallah, tomorrow I will again. First, I inform you, and then you will join. Maybe 11 o'clock, like that morning, and then afternoon. I will arrange and then I inform you. Okay, thank you very much for your cooperation and join me. Very warm welcome. Last we two live streaming, one and 1 hours. I lost maybe delete. They are a very important lecture in these live streaming. So, okay, thank you very much. Bye. Allah Hafiz.